Hey there, Grasshopper here again. This time we're looking at the Mage of the Ascension Tarot deck, the 8 of Dynamism, or the 8 of Swords if you prefer. And on this one we've got what I'm assessing to be a woman strapped to a pole, surrounded by blades of all various types and sizes and shapes. We've got axes and swords and even a pair of scissors, and a cooking knife. Interestingly enough, just kind of loosely tied to that pole. In fact, I don't actually see any ties at all. It's just kind of wrapped around her. This suggests some sort of holding back or being prevented from moving forward, and perhaps when this comes up in a reading, what you should seriously be considering is waiting or finding a way through the obstacles that are before you, right? Examine the situation and then step along the path. As long as you stay on the path, you have nothing to worry about from the swords and the blades and the knives. There's even an M16 in there, again speaks to MOTA's kind of dystopian sort of craziness. But what you have to realize is, looking at this, is that directly in front of her there are no blades or swords or weapons. She has a clear path through, and the only thing that's required is for her to shake off those ropes. They're not binding her that tightly to that pole. They could easily be shaken off. All she has to do is shake them off and start moving forward. Now, whether that means that you need to shake off whatever's holding you back and start moving forward, or just stay there a moment and figure out what the path forward actually is, that's a matter that you're going to have to, intuit for yourself. And that's about it for the 8 of Dynamism. I'll see you on the next card. Hey, if you like this video, why don't you give a like down below? You can subscribe there on the left or hitting the subscribe button underneath. And if you want to get alerts, go ahead and click the little bell icon to make sure that you get notified whenever new videos are posted. And hey, thank you.